guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel. And today guys, we're doing one of Jordan's favourites, and that's the Jordan mac and cheese balls. Whoa! This one's really easy guys. You can use a mac and cheese that you've already made and put in the fridge for 24 hours to get nice and cool, or you can buy one from the shop. Just make sure you cook it first and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. And guys, if you want to cook along with us, then click the link in the description for our food blog. So Jordan, let's get making some balls.
Let's go.
Okay guys, so it's time to make our balls and deep fry, and it couldn't be any simpler than this. Like I said, make sure your mac and cheese is fridge cold, and use a bit of warm water on your hands guys, get them going, because you need a bit of heat to get the balls malleable. There's a long word for you, Jordan. Do you know what that means?
No.
Pliable, so you can mould them. So we're going to make golf ball size shapes guys, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So get your hands right in, and get about a golf ball size of the mac and cheese. Okay, and really work that round guys, because the mac has a habit of slipping out the side. A lovely round mac and cheese ball. Okay, don't make them too big because you are going to panko them afterwards, and you don't want them to be like the size of a bowling ball. There we go, we've got 3 there. And we're doing 3 per portion. This is like a starter or a side dish, and we're gonna make it on a really sexy side plate with some beautiful herbs on top. So guys, let's breadcrumb.
Let's breadcrumb.
Our mac and cheese balls.
Whoop,
Woohoo! If you've been watching our videos for a while, you know how we bread. On this one, we're using seasoned panko breadcrumbs. So literally, panko breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and I've used a tiny bit of southern spice in there. Ooh, yeah. Because that's nice.
Yeah.
Let's breadcrumb into the egg, and then double breadcrumb guys. Let's get all that breadcrumbs on there. Oh yes. Back into there. Next one, Jordan. We've got a bit of an audience today. It's getting rowdy in here. Blimey O'Reilly guys. It's what happens when you have 2 cameramen.
Refugee baby.
Now just give them a little fridge for 10 minutes, and then we're going to deep fry. Oh yes. It's ball time, baby. Cook these for 2 to 4 minutes if they're from fresh, or if they're frozen, because you can pre-make them and freeze them. Maybe 4 to 8 minutes, depends. Just make sure they float to the top. So we're going to flip these over, guys. They've been in now for about 2 minutes. Let's go, Jordan. And they should be lovely. Oh my word. They should be lovely and golden. Just be really careful, guys, that they don't break up when you turn them over. Jordan, get in there, my darling.
Right, nice.
Oh my word, look at that guys. Wow. So I'm just going to pop these here guys, give them a quick Susie salt, pepper peat, and we're just going to pop those into the oven guys for about 1 to 2 minutes, just to make sure they're absolutely done, and just so we can get our plates set up and everything ready to go. Oh yeah. Mac and cheese goodness. This one's really simple guys, but we're going to make it look sexy. So really easy guys, here's our lovely fresh marinara. Jordan, how do we make this?
Link in description below.
3 little, would you call them blobs or
Blobs.
spoonfuls, Jordan?
Blobs.
Blobs of the marinara sauce. Okay, and then we just set our beautiful mac and cheese balls down there. And then over top with some fresh basil. And then our lovely marinara sauce on the side. That is Jordan's mac and cheese balls. Link in description if you want to cook this dish guys. And don't forget, we make new recipes every single week. We will see you next week obviously. Yeah. Bye guys. Bye.
Crazy berserker. Show them.